Hi everyone, welcome to AI Fine Year Kids. In today's video, we are going to learn what are the different data types available in Python. In Python, we have the following data types. Numeric data type. Under numeric data type, we have integer, float, complex. Next data type is Boolean. Boolean is to store true or false values. Another data type is sequence type. Under sequence data type, we have list, tuple, strings. Next one is chat. Another one is dictionary. Let's start with the coding example for this concept so that you can understand this concept more clearly. Let's start the coding now. Previous video we have learned our first Python program and how to use a print function in the program. So in this video we are going to learn the different type of data types that are available in Python. First one is we are going to see number data types. So number data type is used to store numeric values. So in the number data type we have first integer data type. So integer data type, what is integer data type? Whole numbers. Numbers are positive or negative. Negative without decimal. So without decimal is called integer number. Example, a equal to 10, b equal to minus 5. So these are the integer variables. So here a is a variable name. So equal is a assignment operator and we are assigning 10 to that variable. 10 to that variable a. Same like that. Here also p is a variable name. We are assigning minus pi into that. So we can print these values using print function. So previous video also we have seen how to use print function to display the variable inside the variable. So print, under print within double quotes or single quotes we can write the value in a is comma a. Print to run this program we have to press the run code button. So after run code button we can see the output in the screen. So 10 is printed out. A holding the 10 and B is holding the minus pi value. This is the integer data type. So integer data type will have positive, negative without decimal values. This is the integer data type. So second one is floating point data type. Floating point. Simply we will call float. So example for this one is x equal to 3.4, y equal to minus 10.23. So floating point is a number with a decimal point. Floating point is a number with decimal point. So this is the another data type, floating point data type. The third one is complex. Numbers with a real and imaginary part written as a plus bj, where j is the imaginary unit in the complex data type. So for example, z equal to 10 plus 23j. Here j is the 10 is the real part and 23j is the imaginary part. So we can print this using the print function. Print real part in complex data type is. So we set dot real. If we give this, it will print the real part. So let us see what will be the output now. So to see the real part in the complex data type, we can give like this. So here it is printing. So see here, real part in the complex data type is 10. So 10 will be printed. This is considered as a real part. So how to print the imaginary part from the complex data type? Showing like this, print imaginary part in complex data type is. So like real, we can use is z dot image. So if we run this code, we can get the imaginary part from the imaginary complex data type. So let us see what will be the outcome now. So first one is a real part in the complex data type, 10 will be printed. Imaginary part in complex data type, 23 will be printed. So this imaginary part is, this one is considered as imaginary part. This is the complex data type. So in our programming, we will not use this complex data type much. So we can search for to know this data type. We have seen this example. So we can use print function to print the values which are available inside each variables. So print on the single quotes or double quotes, we can view the sentences. Internet. Print So code is a keyword we cannot use as a variable name. So we will see in this concept in later. Just now we are going to differentiate it. We are given a float underscore number from the keyword. So next one is complex number. Print So to run this code, again we have to print run code button. So we have run already. Let us see what will be the output. So each value will be printed out now. See. So first we will declare a variable and assign some integer variable 10. that is printed out. The value p is assigned with -5, that is also printed out. So next one is complex data type. We have declared complex data type 10 plus 23j. So in the complex data type, real part is 10, the imaginary part is 23. So these are the final one we have created. For integer example, for floating point variable example, this is the complex data type example. So each word is printed out. This way we can create number data types. So another useful function is a type function to know the data type of the variable. Say by example, number num is a variable name. We are assigning integer 10 to that variable. So if you want to know what is the data type that the number variable is, a num variable is holding, we can use this type function. If we give type inside type function the variable name, it will print what type of data type it is. Say by example, this is integer data type. So if we run this code, class int will be printed. Same way we can create one float number variable and we will see what is the output if we use a type function. So num float. We will use print type of num float. So now we should print the data type will be a float. Let us see the output. See, the first one is integer data type, so it is printed class int. And next one is floating point data type, so it is printed as class float. So another one example by complex variable you will see. So if you want to know the data type, we can use the type function to know the data type. Print type of example complex. Now it should print complex, class complex. So let us see the output now. So first one is a floating point data integer data type, so it is printed as int. So second one is floating point data type, so it is printed as a float, class float. Third one is a complex data type, so class complex is printed. So we can use this type function to know the data type of a variable. So to know the data type of a variable, we can use this type function that are available in Python. List data type in Python. In Python, a list is a collection data type that can store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are ordered, mutable, meaning it can be changed, and it can contain elements of different data types. Example, indices, strings, and other lists. So let us see one example. Say for example, fruits. Fruits equal to. So one more thing we have to note here. A list is created placing items inside a square brackets. So let us write here. A list is created by placing items inside square brackets. This is the square brackets separated by comma. commas. So let us see one example. Fruits equal to. So we have to create using brackets separated by comma. So first one is apple. Second element in the list is banana. Banana. Third one is cherry. So this list contain three values in it. So what they are telling? Variable list is ordered, mutable, can be changed, and can contain elements of different data types. Integers, strings, other list. Say for example, we will create some integer variable. Integer also we can create. So integer data type, float data type, string data type. It can contain another list. List means inside a bracket. So inside we are giving another list. List inside another list. So here also we will give gender like this. So if we print expose, the value will be printed here. Let us see the output now. See the output. So we are created using brackets. So under brackets, each element is separated with comma. So apple is one element, banana, cherry. So these are the string variables. Note here, this is an integer variable, this is a floating point variable, and also we are having list inside list. So this way we can create a list. A list are ordered. That means, so this one is in the index. If we see by index wise, this is the 0th index, first index, second index, third and fourth. So this is ordered in a list. So immutable, what is mean by immutable? It can be changed. Say for example, proofs of index is 0. Index is 0. We are having apple. Instead of apple, we are going to create orange. Orange. So if we print fruits again, so apple will be changed as orange because it can be, list can be changed, mutable. We can change once created, we can change that value. So let us see the output now. So see here in the first result we are having apple. The second one we have changed using the index position, 0th position, we are changed this apple to orange. So the apple is replaced with orange in the second print statement. So this way we can change the list values. So it is immutable. So mutable means we can change the value in the list data type. So these are the example of list data type in Python. So one more thing we have to note here. So how to print the value of age and value in the age here. So this is the starting with index 0 position, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So fifth one is list. Fifth one is list. Say for example, if we put index of 5, this list, whole list should be printed now. Let us see now. So see here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So fifth index we have another list. So the whole list is printed here. If you want to print list inside list, say for example, so list in I want to print this age here. So index position 5, again we have to put bracket and 0. 0 means this first value will be printed. Let us see the output now. See, the age is printed here. If you want print gender, we have to use index 1. Let us see the output now. See, now gender is printed. So this way we can use a list data type. So list data type is mutable, meaning we can change the value once after created. And let us see some more examples of a list. So list of integer, we will create one list of integer here. Numbers. So always we have to use bracket to create list. 10, 3, 5, 89, 100, 45, 50. This is the integer list. So mixed list, we will create one mixed list. That means it can contain integers, float, character. This is Boolean data type. You will see the Boolean data type little later. So this is an example of mixed data types. So list can contain multiple data types. So it can store multiple data types values. So in other programming language we cannot store in collection we cannot store multiple data type values. So in Python we can store multiple data type values in the same list. This is the advantage of Python. So another one example we will see nested list. Nested list. So list inside list. So we have created another one list 1, 2. So list another one list 3, 4, 5, 6. So inside a list we have 3 lists. So this is the first list. Inside the list we have list first list, second list and third list. So here also we can have different data type values. So this is the example of different data types. Let us see tuple data type in Python. In Python, a tuple is a collection of data type similar to a list, but with one key difference. Tuples are immutable, meaning elements cannot be changed after creation. A tuple is created placing item inside parentheses, separated by commas. So list we have created using brackets. For doubles we can create using parentheses. So let us see one example for this double data type. Blue. So here color is a double data type. So we have three values in that variable. So doubles are immutable, meaning cannot be changed once after creation. So like list, we cannot change doubles values once after creation. Say for example, if we try to change the value red, which is in the index position 0, so it will throw an error. Let us see the example for that one now. Colors of index 0 position. We are trying to change like green. Print colors. So doubles are immutable. So we are trying to assign green value in the index position 0. So which is not possible in doubles. Let us see what will be the output now. It should create error now. So see, double object does not support item assignment. That means we cannot change once after double is created. The values we cannot change. Like list. In the list we can change once after creation, but it will not allow same in the double data type. This is the key difference between tuple and list. Let us see string data types in Python now. A string is a data type used to represent textual data. It is a sequence of characters enclosed in either single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. So example, here name is the variable name. We declared using single quotation. Sendil as a string value for the name variable. So here greeting is a variable name. We have stored hello students using double quotation mark. So this one is example for triple quotation. So message is a variable name here. So using triple quotation, we have created this multi-line string variable. The same way, using double quotation, we can use single quotation also to create a multi-line string. So we have created these three variables. Let us run this code and see the output now. So run this code. If we come down, we can see the output. So name is printed. So greetings also printed, message also printed here. So this is the last one is multi-line string using triple quotation. So this way we can create a string variables in Python. String characteristics in Python. String characteristics. So string is a immutable. String cannot be changed after creation. Immutable. String cannot be changed after creation. So we will see one example for this. So we will create a variable name and we will assign value Ramu. So Ramu. So now we cannot change this. Say for example, so string is a sequence of characters. So we can use indexing to extract each characters in the string variable. Say for example, print name of 0. So this first the string is indexed like starting with the 0, 1, 2 and 3. So if we give this name of 0, it will print the character R here. Let us see the output now. So the R will be printed. So string index start with the 0. So always start with 0. So if we print 1, it should print A here. So A is printed. So same way 2. So M is printed. 3. It will print U here. So 0, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. We cannot use 4 here because this is out of index. So we will get error here. So this is the problem. So we cannot use more than the index range here. So this is a sequence of characters. So say for example, we cannot change this name of 2 equal to B. We cannot change like this. That is the meaning of this. String cannot be changed after creation. So in the index position 2, we are trying to assign character B, which is not allowed in string because it is immutable. Immutable means we cannot change the value after its creation. So if we run this code, we will get error. It will not be executed. Let us see. So string object does not support an item assignment. So we cannot change the value once a string is created. So it is a immutable. So string is indexable. Next one is it is indexable. You can access characters using index. Tracing index. So here always start with index 0. First letter is index 0. Next A is index 1 at position index 1. M is at position index 2. U is at position index 3. So we have seen already. Let us see again. Print name of 1. So it should print. Guess what will be the output now? So always it start with 0 index. So 0 index R is the character. So first index A. So now it should print A. So the output it is print as A. So it is indexable. You can access the characters using using the index. So this is the second point. Next point is iterable. You can do through strings. For example, we are not seen loop statement still. So just now I am to showcase you, I will show the loop, how we can loop through the string variable. For example, I in name parent I. So it should print each letters now. Let us see the output now. So that is why it is called. So we'll see the output. In the loop, it is printing one by one character, A, R, A, M, U. So it is iterable. We can loop through the strings. So we using the loop, we can extract each value, each characters in the string variable. So next one is support various operations. Concatenation, slicing, along formatting. So support various operations like concatenation. What is concatenation? Let us see one example. So first new equal to single. Last new equal to comma. So full name equal to first name plus last name. So here plus is the concatenation operator. Here plus is considered as a concatenation operator. So we will give some space here. So it will concatenate with the first name with the last name. So if you print the full name, we will get the full name. Let us see the output now. So if we run the code, it should print Sendil Kumar at 19. Let us see the output now. See, so it is concatenated. So string can be concatenated. Let's see set data types in Python. In Python, a set is a built-in data type used to store unordered collection of unique items. A set is created using curly braces or using the set constructor. Let us see example for these data types. So we have to use curly braces to create set data type. So curly braces inside this apple, banana, cherry. This one is example by curly braces. There's another one example using set functions. So equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 10. So this is using set function. We can create two way using the curly braces or using the set functions. So let us print the value inside this set variables using the print function. So we'll print the values inside number also. Print so let us run this code and see the output now. So values inside fruits are cherry, banana, apple. Values inside numbers are 10, 1, 2, 3, 3. Note here we have created 2 times and 3 2 times. So set data type will not allow duplicate values. If duplicate value means it will remove the duplicate value, only it will keep unique values. We cannot store duplicate values like list and double data type. List and double we can use duplicate values, but the same is not allowed in set data type. That is the key difference between set, tuple and list data types. We can change it is mutable. That means we can change the value inside this set variable. So we try to change one value for this set variable. Numbers numbers of numbers of 0 equal to 10. Uh, there was a problem with your code. Set object does not support item assignment. So we cannot change values once stored in the set data type. We cannot change. It is a immutable. We cannot change once created. And also duplicate value will not be allowed in set data type. Unlike a list and tuples, it allows only unique values. If we keep duplicate value also, it will remove the duplicate value. Only it will keep unique values inside set variable. Let us see some of the properties of set variable. So feature and description. So it is unordered. Set is unordered. Say no fixed order in the set variable. Say for example, we have created color variable set. So see here we have the order 1, 2, 3, 11, 33, 3. If we print, if it is ordered, it should order print in the same order. Let us see what will happen now. If we print this color, let us see it is coming with order or without order. So no order is, no fixed order for set variable. Let us see now. So this is because of this one. So we remove this. So let us see how we can add elements to set up set variable. We cannot add values using the index values. There is other method we will see later in this lesson. So now if we print, so there is no proper order. Wait, let us see what will happen now. See here. So first we have given 1, 2, 3, 11, 33, 3. See the output here. There is no proper order. It is printed 1, 2, 3. So it should print 11 here. Instead of it is printed 33. So set variable, no fixed order. So it is unordered. Unindexed. No indexing or slicing. No indexing or slicing allowed in set variable. So let us see that. So we have seen the list. Say for example, we will create one list. From that we will create 5. So list is always indexed with some values. So say for example 0 is indexed with 1 is indexed with 0. So list is always start with indexing 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. So this index is start with 0 and end with 3. 0, 1, 2 and 3. So here if you want to print the index of 0th position, we can print like list x of 0 print. This is the list example. So list has index. So 0 index, it is showing, it should show 1 now. Print now. Say at last we have to see 1. See, so first index position it is 0. 0th index position 1 is there, so it is printed 1 here. So we cannot use same indexing for set variable. So color is a set variable. If we try to access the index 0, it will not allow. It will have a syntax error. Let us see. Let us see now. If we print using index position in the set variable, it will throw error. See, set object is not subscriptable. That means indexing is not allowed in set variable. Unindexed, no indexing or slicing allowed. So mutable means can add or remove items into it. We will see example for this. So we have colors as a set variable. If we want to add one more color into one more number, we can add using color dot add. This is a method to add elements to inside the set variable. So what we can add here, we will add 100 value. So if we print color, it should include this 100 inside it. Let us see the output now. So it should add 100. So this is because of this. We remove this one. Now this code, our code will be executed. Let us see the output now. So see. So 100 is added in the set variable. So this way we can add values to set variable. So that means it is mutable. Mutable means we can change, add or remove. So we have added how to remove an item from this. Let us see one more example for this. Color dot remove. Which element we want to remove? Say for example 3 we will remove. Just copying the same statement. After removing, so let us run this code and see the output now. So remove will remove one element from this set variable. So see here 3 is available in the previous print statement. After removing the 3 element, the 3 is removed from this set variable. So this way we can add and remove. So another way on another one, we can use another one method to remove. So that one is, let us see the example also. Discord 77. Say for example, we don't have a 77 value in the set variable. If we use, it will not say throw any error. So this is a safety way of removing elements. So here we don't have any value like 77 in the set variable color. So let us see what will happen now. We will run the code and let us see the output now. You see, there is no 77, but there is no error also. So this way we can safely remove any elements. If available, it will remove. Otherwise, it will not throw any error. If we use same using the remove method, it will throw an error. Let us see. Let us see dictionary data type available in Python. In Python, a dictionary is a built-in data type used to store key value pairs. It is mutable and indexed by keys, not position like a list or tuples. A dictionary is defined using curly braces with the keys and values separated by colon. So let us see one example for this dictionary data type. Student equal to, using curly braces we have to use to create dictionary. So name. So name is a key and its value is Shiva. So each value is separated by comma. So another key is age. Age is 25. So we create one more course as a key course. So not equal, not assignment operator. We have to use colon as a separator for a key and value. So start with the curly braces and end with the curly braces. So this is the example bar dictionary data type. So we will print this dictionary data type using print statement. And let us see what will be the output now. So to run this code, we have to use run code button. So let us see the output. So see here, key and value will be printed. So how to list only the keys in the student dictionary data type? For that we have to use print student dot keys. This is what will be the output now. So this is a function we have to use. Run this is like this to print the only, it will print only the key values. See here. So name, age and course are key in the dictionary data type student. So this Shiva 25 Python are values. How to print that only the values? For that we have used values function. Print student dot values. So let us run the code and see the output now. So to get only keys, we have to use data type, data variable name of the dictionary data type, and using the keys keyword, it will print only the key values. This one is to access only the values. Let us count one more time and see the output now. Okay. So to access only keys, we have to use that variable name dot keys function. To get only the values, we have to use variable name dot values function. So this way we can create and access the values inside the dictionary data type. Now we will see properties of dictionaries. What are the properties that are available in the dictionary data type? First one is the key value pairs. Key value pairs. Yes, it is a key value pairs. Next property is mutable. That means we can add or change the values inside the dictionary variable. So it is a mutable. And change values. Indexed by keys. Next property is indexed by key. Indexed by keys, not number. Not numbers. Ordered. So dictionary is ordered, yes. Another property is unique key. Unique means duplicate will not be allowed. Unique keys. Duplicate means keys. The value can be duplicated, but the key cannot be duplicated. This is we have to note here. So we can access value by keys. How to access the value by keys? So let us see one example. Student kind of name. We can see the output using the print function. So let us see. So we can access the value of the variable using the key value key. Say for example key. Student.key should print the key value. See Shiva is printed. So this name is key and the relative value is ui is printed here. So using the key we can access the value. We can add a new value in the dictionary. For example, so yeah. So we are creating one more key value pairs grade and it is value A. So now we print. It should include this grade and A as a value for the key. So let us see the output now. It is whether it is added or up. So see here. So one more key value pair is added here. So we can add or remove elements in the dictionary data type. So how we can remove from this dictionary data? We can remove or remove. Mutable means we can add or remove. How we can remove an item in the dictionary data? We will see one more example for that. Student dot pop. Pop is a method to remove element from the dictionary. So we have what are the key value pairs we have? We have name is course and also we have added one more grade. So now we will remove the course key value pairs from the dictionary. Course. So I am copying this one so that we can change the wordings. After removing. So now course should be removed from the dictionary. Let us see the output now. So the previous print statement name, age, course, grade printed. So after removing the course from the dictionary, now it is printing name, age and grade. So the course will be removed using this pop method. So pop is to remove the elements from the dictionary. To add elements, we can create like this. Key value pairs we have to create. So this way we can add or remove elements from the dictionary data type. So print dot student dot keys, print the key values. Only the key values will be printed. So next value function we can print only the values. Another one method is the item. It will let us see what will be the output for items. So what item will do? So it will So key values like this. Let us see the output now so that you can understand. So here we have name Shiva, age 25, course Python and grade. But we have removed course using the pop method. So now we have name, age and grade. See, using the item methods, it is showing name and it is key and value like tuple value. So name and it is key and it is related value, age and it is related value, grade and it is related value. So this way we can access the elements from the dictionary. We can add or remove, or we can access using these keys, values or item methods. So this is the examples for dictionary data types in Python. So let us see Boolean data type in Python. In Python, the Boolean is a data type that can hold one of two possible values, true or false. True or false. Or we can use 1 or 0. So for example, we have created Boolean variable is active and we assigned true to that value. So is deleted is a variable for another Boolean data type and we have assigned false as a value. Let's print this value and see the output now. Let us run this code and see the output. So is active is true, is deleted is false. Grades of little coders, we have just learned something super cool in Python. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you never miss a new adventure with Codey the Python. Want to practice our code? Head over to our fun playground at https finearkidsstreamlit.app. Keep coding, keep smiling and remember, the world needs awesome coders like you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.